Everyone, so in this session, we're going to discuss about Ansible blocks. So why do we need this Ansible block concept? Let's see. So there are certain scenario a developer has to check a condition for each task, right? The condition would be same for each task, and all the tasks are some relative task. Like they want to install a software and restart the software services and get the number of packages installed on the system. These are all relative tasks, and the condition is same. The distribution of OS and version of OS. If both are met, and they have to do some task, right? So here is the problem. So for each task we set the same condition, and it's a repetitive code, right? So instead of setting the condition for each task, we can put together all the relative tasks, and then we can go for a single condition. So that will apply for our entire block. So that's what we say Ansible block. So blocks allow you to group relative tasks together and apply particular task parameter on the block level. So, and also there are certain tasks need to be run if a previous task is completed successfully or failed or something, right? So in this scenario also you can give a particular task parameter. Like a previous task is success, you can apply this task for this set of numbers. So that is also we can use it. And also it allow you to handle error inside the blocks. If say like you have 10 tasks, right? If any one of the tasks is failed, so what should we do? So that can be handled using the error handling blocks in the Ansible. This is like most other program having in exception handling, right? So in the block we define two things: group task and handling errors. So in this session I'll be showing how to create a blocks, and also how to passing the loop variables to the block, because it is not like a normal condition how we apply a task, condition for set of blocks. So the loop would not loop is the exception for these blocks. We need to follow different way to pass loop variables to the blocks. Let's see how to pass the loop variable to the block, and how to apply a condition to the blocks. Let's see some demo, so it will be awesome. Example 1. The first one is without block. It's a just direct condition we applied for each task. The developer want to install a program software on the CentOS, and he want to check the result, and then he want to start the check the status of the services. So each time we want to run, okay, if it is CentOS, do this task. If it is CentOS, do this task. And if it is CentOS, check the run this command, right? So instead of doing this, we created a block. So in the block, you have to mention a block. Inside block, you can mention all your tasks. So, and you can, in the block condition, you can just give what is the condition for each task. So no need to apply for each task level. The condition apply at the block level. So the condition is not for block. Inside the block, what are the tasks available, it will be applied. This is my playbook. So I applied a condition for all these tasks. Okay, let me run this program and we'll see. And okay, seems like all the tasks were skipped. Let's see why it is skipping. Okay, I got the problem, because all the tasks was not executed because I given CentOS small letter. I need to use caps. Let's run this. Okay, now the condition applied success and the task been executed successfully, right? So we Likely we have seen two scenarios, like if the condition is not met, all the tasks going to be skipped, and if the condition is met, all the task is running successfully here. So this is very simple straightforward block concept. Okay, so now let's see how to pass the loop variables to the block. Right. In the same scenario, if I give loop variables to here, the Ansible won't take this. I am just giving my item. If I run the playbook now, we'll get this error. So this will not, the blocks will not accept the loop variables. So what you have to do is, you have to call all the tasks separately. Instead of giving loops to the playbook, you have to put all the tasks separate playbook and call the playbook in using the include task option. I'll show the playbook here. So what I did is, I have just modified my playbook like this. So you need to call the task, and you need to call the list of tasks using include task and give the playbook name here with item or loop. You can pass the variable and give the condition here. Let's see what is there in the loop include file. So loop include file, the list of blocks, I put their separate files, and here I'm not using the block keyword, but this is a block, kind of block now, because list of task here, relative task, I put it here. Now if I run this, it will get executed. So .yaml. See, all the tasks being called here. The variable I passed is DB, MongoDB and Oracle DB2. So those were getting printed here. You can see my playbook here, right? So when the loop is passed, all the variables passing to this program one by one, and in the debug message, I'm just printing the item values here. So that is what it's being printed here. I can simplify my program so we'll get understand. I have only one task. I just removed all the tasks. I'm going to run with only one task, so to get understand very much clearly, right? You know, all my task, I mean the variable got printed here. So this is my playbook again. You need to call set of block task using include task and pass the variable. Instead of with item, we can give loops also. Let's try that. Okay. This is going to be return the same as with item. Got it? Yeah. So that's all I have in this session. Like we seen how to create a block and how to pass the loop variables to the blocks, and what's the different, why do we need the block concept, right? I hope you are very much clear on this topic, and yeah, let's meet again with the different topics with a different session. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you again. Bye bye.